welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna try to do a makeup look. I kind of feel like doing something I never did before. This might turn into a voiceover, not sure yet, because I do have my daughter with me. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Mine's look a little jacked up because I'm always using this, and this is so bomb. Look, even the brush is bent up. Now I'm going to take some L'Oreal Brow Mascara. Now I'm going to move on to priming my face using the NYX Angel Veil Primer.
And this is the Wet n Wild Primer Cover All. And now you guys see I'm gonna use that Fenty. I have Fenty 440 and Fenty 470, and I'm gonna mix it together just so I can make my perfect shade. Now I'm using the Fenty concealer in 430. Trying to make, my under eye a little bit brighter than the foundation. Ow, ayy, yes. Now just priming the eyelids with the same Fenty concealer. You guys can use an eye primer if you want, but I just like to use concealer. Now I'm going to use the Through My Eyes palette by I Love Seta E X Colourpop. Seta E is bomb. Her makeup is bomb. Okay, so now we're going to use that color right there called Sandalwood, and we're going to put that all over the eyelid. So putting that all of it, oh psych, I'm not doing that, I forgot to bake, guys. Using the airspun powder, going to bake, then we're gonna move on to putting sandalwood on the eyes. Now we're going to use the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime. Don't want to make my face so powdery, so spray. Now going back into the Through My Eyes palette, and of course going back to that sandalwood color and putting it all over the eyelid. And notice how I put it in the crease, then all over the eyelid. Now going to use that color right there, canela. If somebody knows what that means in Spanish, let me know. Put it down below in the comments. So just putting that all over the crease. Now it's not going to be a purple look without the purple, so we're going to use that color Divina, and we're going to put it pretty much at the end and then move it towards the eyelid. So now I decided to use the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I love this palette, and there's this beautiful purple in there. It's a really dark purple. See that right there? Now we're going to use that flat brush and put that all over the eyelid. You can tap and you can swipe. I like to do both. That color probably would have been so much prettier too if I had sprayed it. I should have, because it would look so gorgeous, but you guys could do that. Now I decided to put some sparkly things. I put the color Flex, and I just used my finger and put it on my eyelid, to be honest. Now going back to the color Canela, and I'm gonna put that in my crease again just to make sure everything is blended. Just showing you how the eyes look, and also showing you how dorkish I am. Now just smoking out the lash line back to the color Divina and using kind of an eyeliner brush. Yeah. Now going back to that purple color in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm also going to push that onto the lash line and smoke it out with that Divina color. Now just adding the CoverGirl bronzer to the face. I actually contoured in that last clip too. I just used a brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and now just gonna bake under that contour. And I'm also going to contour my nose. It's first time for everything, so I just wanted to see how it looks, you guys. And I also added the NYX blush, and that's in the color Peach, and just apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Now my favorite highlighter palette is Nicole Guerrero x Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna use those two colors, Glow Getter and 143. Do you guys see why it's my favorite highlighter palette? Like, it's bomb. So in the last clip and in this clip, I'm just blending the highlighter because the highlighter is really pigmented and I'll be having to just blend it like for a long time to make sure that it looks good on my skin. So as you guys know, I've been using that lip liner, which is the Makeup by Shayla X Colourpop BFF4. It's my favorite lip liner at the moment right now. Now you guys can use purple lip liner, by the way, because it's obviously a purple look and you need purple lip liner too. So using that Fenty. And now the lashes, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. It's a really good mascara. I got the sample size at Sephora by using my points. And for the Fenty color, I'm gonna list in the description box for you guys. Now I'm gonna use that color and put it on the inner part of my eye. That's what it's called. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. I'm bad at explaining. But yeah, putting that in the inner corner. And here is the finished look, you guys.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys really like this makeup look, this purpley look, I want you guys to leave a comment down below, like, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe and share. And I want to say thank you to those who actually subscribe to my channel. Like, it actually gives me, what's the word? It gives me drive. Why did I do that? Anyway, it gives me drive to continue with videos and makes me feel really good inside, and makes me feel like, you know, I can actually do this. And confident is the word. Confident that I can actually do makeup. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell right on the bottom of here, and you know, stay tuned for more videos. Anyway, bye guys.